Hello, my name is Batman, and I am gonna show you my daily lifestyle. First, we walk down the street. When walking,
You must be careful. My voice.
my Batman. Batman's back. Anyway, when walking down the street, you must be careful not to fall. Batman made that mistake too many times. Next, you must be careful not to mess around with the water shooters. They're deadly and painful. Ouch. My feet are wet.